Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you, and I'm actually filming these videos back to back. So yesterday I filmed my January box, and today I received the February box. At least I hope it is the February box. I'm not really sure. So the reason why I'm filming them back to back is my January box arrived very late. It actually arrived in February, so I'll link the video in the card if you want to see it. So let's open this one up. Okay, well, it definitely looks different than last time. Is that a perfume? That's a perfume. Holy shit, what the hell? What? You know what? We're gonna start with the perfume. Oh my god. This is by Sentier? Sentier? I have no idea. Parisian Embrace. Oh, that smells really good. Oh my god. Oh, that smells amazing. Really fresh and flowery. Oh my god. Holy moly. That's the first time we had a perfume in here. I mean, we had samples, you know, the ones I get from Sephora and Ulta and wherever you can buy them. Oh my god. Oh, that smells really good. Holy. But also, you know, LookFantastic, they have very high hopes and they truly believe in their boxes because there's one sheet of tissue paper in and that's it. And this is glass. Just saying. This is amazing. This smells so good. I mean, upon first and only use, it smells amazing. I don't know, you know, once I use this every single day, I don't know, maybe I get sick of it, maybe I get a headache, maybe it leaves a stain on my clothes, I have no idea about that. But so far, upon first spraying and application, I would actually purchase the full size, or I would purchase this because it smells really, really good. Alright, then we have the Bondi Sands Face SPF 50 sunscreen. Fragrance-free, water-resistant, made in Australia, very high protection, SPF 50. I use SPF 50 on the whole body. I know people that can use SPF 20 or SPF 10 even on the body. Even me with SPF 50 on, I still burn sometimes. So no, I need 50 plus. So this is for the face itself. But actually, I should put that into my my travel bag because it's rather flat. I don't know about you, but here in the supermarket and even on vacation, depending where we go, you often get the big bulky bottles. There's nothing wrong with that, but you know, given the fact this is so nice and flat, I will put that into my suitcase and then take it with me. And given the fact it's for the face only, it will probably last me a while. I can, you know, I can also use it afterwards, if that makes sense. So this is nice to have. Two things so far that I like. There are a lot of like smaller things in like this, and then the last big one is the Molten Brown Delicious Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. You know, Molten Brown always smells really good, so let's see. Oh my god. Oh, this is like a dream. You know what this reminds me of? I'm a 90s kid, and back in the days you had those science kits. I mean, the products in there were not high quality, right? But you had, for example, a kit to make candles, and a kit to make makeup, and a kit to make a perfume. And like I said, the ingredients were not good quality. I guess it was just water with a certain scent to it, whatever. But you could make your own perfume, and you also had like a, I don't know, like a dinosaur set, and a, what do you call it? A fossil set where you can actually, you know, extract the fossils, whatever. You had a bunch of those kits, and I had the perfume one. You know, it was for children, but you know, as a child, it's the most amazing thing. I'm like a scientist. I'm making my own perfume. This smells like something from there. Like one of those ingredients smelled like this, 100%. So there was no alcohol in whatsoever, but you were supposed to, you know, take one or two scents and then mix them with something else to get a perfume. And had different bottles. It had spray bottles, it had normal bottles. The whole kit. Long story short, it smells like something from there. And I like that. I would like Molten Brown shower gels. I think they smell great. It's also the perfect size to take on vacation. And it's also the perfect size to try out, right? If you're not sure whether you're really gonna like it, I mean, obviously you can smell it. But same with the perfume, for example. Just because it smells good when you smell it for the first time doesn't mean you actually enjoy it the whole time until it's empty. Does that make sense? It's 50 milliliters. You know, and if you don't like it, then it doesn't hurt as much to get rid of it. Or maybe use it as a hand soap, whatever. Super excited about that. Okay, up next we have the Kind patches. Dream Energy, 4 sample patches. I think this is for pimples, which I have a lot of these days. I don't know why. Definitely nice to have. I will put them, downstairs with my skincare. Because the thing is, I don't want to use too much. I have one, the drying lotion. Who is it from? I have a drying lotion, that you're supposed to apply with a Q-tip, and also once I finish that one up, I start using these. Second last product is the Avant Collagen Aloe Vera Hyaluronic Lavender Oil Glycerin Vitamin C Allantoin Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. And my inner monk is not happy because this is crooked. Who put a stick on? Who did that? I just want to have a talk. Who did this? But yeah, it's just like under eye patches. Which again, I don't want to do too much skincare, so I currently have a scrub that I want to use, and then when I'm done with that, I'll try these out because I just you can tell I have pimples everywhere. I actually have the facial mist on that I got in the January LookFantastic box, just to keep my face moisturized, but that's it, nothing else. And yeah, I just don't want to do too much. So once I'm done with one skincare product, I'm gonna try these out. And then last but not least, already, shampoo and conditioner by Grow Gorgeous, Intelligent Hair Care, the Intense Thickening Shampoo and the Intense Thickening Conditioner. 2 samples, they're both the same size, 50 milliliters. So if you're someone who uses more conditioner than shampoo, well, sucks. Same, I use more conditioner than I use shampoo. I just use a bit of shampoo to get my scalp clean, and then the conditioner is used from ears down. Really worked into it. But yeah, this is the last product, and I will also put that into my travel case. Same with this. Because, if you go on vacation, like I recently, as you may know, went to Paris for 3 days, this would have come in very handy. Because, 3 days, you probably can use them up in 3 days, or if you go for a week, that's my bit. So, yeah, this is everything that's in the box. It's actually not that bad. I can't believe I'm saying that. Perfume, oh my goodness. Oh my god, that smells really, really good. I kind of want to spit again. I want to spit again. Just once, oh my god, that smells really good. Holy, I can't believe this. This is the first time we're having a perfume. And it's eau de parfum. It's actually not eau de toilette, it's eau de parfum. Which I think eau de parfum is supposed to last longer than eau de toilette, but I'm not really sure. Don't quote me. Have I told you how much is this? 10 milliliters. Let me know if you have ever tried any of these products out. I will definitely use all of them. I don't know when, because like I said, I put this into my travel case, so I don't know when I will go on a vacation. Probably in summer, so it might take a bit until I use it up, but I will. Same for this. I will also put that, like I said, it's flat, well, rather flat. It doesn't take up that much space. I'll put that into my travel case. I will use all that up. And then, once I get back from vacation, there's still some left. Obviously, I can always use that. Everything will be used up at one point. And I gotta say, it's been now 2 months since I had something. Oh no, wait. In the last video, I got rid of the SPF lip balm because that was just absolutely terrible. Initially, I wanted to keep it. It's been 2 months now since I had something in where I said, you know what? I'm not going to use it. I'm going to donate it. Or I'm going to sell it or whatever. Only products that I really want to try out. Granted, the SPF lip balm, that was a bit of a pain in the butt. But I was willing to try it out. I'm actually back. I want to get rid of the box, right, because I like keeping them for sending things. There was another product in. Oh my god. So this is the Revolution Satin Kiss Lip Liner in White Wedding. I think White Wedding. So let's just open this up and see what it looks like. I'm only using another lip liner that I got also from the LookFantastic box. I use them basically as a lipstick. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. That looks very pretty. I got my mirror here. It's a bit more intense than what I would usually do, but I don't mind it. And usually I would also put down a lip balm first and then put this on top. So this is just a normal pen that you have to sharpen. There's no sharpener in the bag, at least I don't see it. I cannot open this up, so just normal pencil. It looks nice. And yes, I went in quite often now. You can also you can blot it out probably and just go in to give it a slight hue. It's also not a matte one, it's a satin one, so it will not, hopefully, not dry out your lips that much. Another additional product, which will also be used. I don't know when I can, but it will be used, definitely. Now, let's continue on with the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried any of these products. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you next one.